let's go on. And A to Z rhyme. Clap your hands and swing side to side. Learning letters is so much fun. Come on, kids, let's start with one. A is for apple, red and sweet. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on your feet. B is for ball that bounces on your feet. C is for cat who loves to purr. C is for cat who loves to purr. D is for dog who goes woof and grr. D is for dog who goes woof and grr. E is for elephant, big and gray. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish who swims all day. F is for fish who swims all day. G is for giraffe, tall and neat. G is for giraffe, tall and neat. H is for hat you wear on the street. H is for hat you wear on the street. Y combine and A to the Z like cut your hands, he swims side to side. Learning letters, there's so much fun. How on kids, let's fuck with my. I is for igloo made of ice. I is for igloo made of ice. J is for jelly, ooey and nice. J is for jelly, ooey and nice. K is for kite that flies so high. K is for kite that flies so high. L is for lion with a loud roar cry. L is for lion with a loud roar cry. N is for monkey swinging by trees. N is for monkey swinging by trees. N is for nest with birds and leaves. N is for nest with birds and leaves. O is for octopus in the sea. O is for octopus in the sea. P is for panda munching bamboo happily. P is for panda munching bamboo happily. Q is for queen with the shiny crown. Q is for queen with the shiny crown. R is for rabbit hopping around. R is for rabbit hopping around. S is for sun shining so bright. S is for sun shining so bright. T is for train chugging left and right. T is for train chugging left and right. U is for umbrella on rainy days. U is for umbrella on rainy days. V is for violin that softly plays. V is for violin that softly plays. W is for whale singing in the sea. W is for whale singing in the sea. X is for xylophone, ding dong dee. X is for xylophone, ding dong dee. Y is for yo-yo going up and down. Y is for yo-yo going up and down. Z is for zebra with stripes of brown. Z is for zebra with stripes of brown. Now we know our A to Z. Give a cheer, yippee, with glee. We wrote through letters A to Z, singing and dancing so joyfully. Now you're ready, shout hooray. Let's sing this song again someday.
Hello friends, hit like if having fun. Hit share to show love. Subscribe so you never miss fun.